Welcome to this rare opportunity for an elegant Portland Heights condo where you can enjoy incredible views of the city. An amazing alternative to Pearl District condo living, this home encompasses 4 levels, including your own rooftop patio and a balcony off all 4 floors. Heading inside, discover a completely remodeled interior with walls of windows. Cityscape views are all yours from your inviting balconies. Prepare your favorite cuisine while enjoying slab silestone counters, all new stainless appliances, and amazing views while you cook. Or take the private elevator to the rooftop patio. Cozy up to the dramatic fireplace in the spacious living room, also with sweeping city views. The built-in bar is ready for entertaining. And you'll find a full bath. The private master suite has newer plush carpeting, tall ceilings, and views of its own. The master bath is beautifully updated with heated tile floors, granite counters, an elegant tiled shower, and 2 walk-in closets. On the lower level, you'll find 2 large bedrooms, plus an updated full bath with a sauna. In this spacious bedroom, you can also wake up to the city and mountain views. This close-in location is within walking distance to downtown amenities, including the PSU Farmers Market, with easy access to I-5 and Highway 26. An amazing opportunity in Portland Heights. It's all here ready for you to call home. For more information, please contact Laura Johansen at 503-780-0212.